Withdrawing money from your Revolut account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the Accounts tab. Once logged in, tap on the Accounts tab located at the bottom of the screen. This will show you your available balances and accounts. Step 3. Select Withdraw. Find the option to withdraw funds. This may be labeled as withdraw or send depending on your app version. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Choose your bank account. Select the bank account you wish to withdraw funds to. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you will need to add one by providing the required banking details. Step 5. Enter the amount and confirm. Input the amount you want to withdraw and review the transaction details. Once everything looks correct, confirm the withdrawal to complete the process. After following these steps, your funds should be on their way to your bank account. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section in the app or contact customer support for assistance.